Hi there, Mr. Webtalk is here. This is my next evidence that Webtalk is an honest and trustworthy resource. Webtalk shares the 50% of ad revenue to users. It is my Payoneer account on the screen. I received my money automatically again. The money was transferred to my account on 28 November. Sign up on Webtalk. You will find the link in the description under the video. Subscribe to my channel. You will learn how to use Webtalk and what you need to do to be paid. Here we are. As you can see, I've got $105. My video is not only proof on YouTube. You can find many other examples of recorded evidences from different countries from other Webtalkers. Here are screenshots. Just type the keywords in the search of YouTube, Webtalk payment proof. $100 is pretty good money for me. This is a great support for all my family. For example, the internet is quite expensive and $100 able to cover all expenses for the internet for the whole year. Besides, my lovely wife will buy something delicious for tea. A very nice bonus. It is always pleasure when some joyful events take place in our life. These little joys make us happy. I would like to be useful to my family. My wife has 2 disabled people in her care. One of us is an 80-year-old man, my father. Maybe it is the very reason why he always has sad eyes. That we both know that our only woman in the family has to do all the male household jobs by her own. Besides, she is taking care of us. She has to do everything by her own, working outdoor, in the yard, and everything in the house in her duty. She feeds, gives water, washes, dresses us. We both are more than just satisfied. I also want to take care of my wife. For all of us, it would be inner relief if I could solve some household jobs by hiring someone. Thereby, I could make her free from physical job at least. So, Webtalk is a wonderful support for my family. We both work on this side. My wife cannot go to work knowing that my father and I need her help. Financial assistance from our state for the fact that my wife takes care of 2 disabled people is just $30 per month. It is just very difficult to live having that kind of money. Therefore, Webtalk is a great support for all of us and also for those who are in a similar situation. Now, due to the pandemic, many people have suffered being lost their jobs and disability supply their families. Nobody cares about them. Their friends cannot come to help to them. We are kinda in a siege, cut off from the whole world. Webtalk is like a small island of hope for us, like this little spot of the ground cleaned by my wife in front of the house, where I can take a deep breath of fresh air, enjoying of the company with my precious woman. I believe that the time will come when my wife and I can go on a trip to our foreign friends that I met on Webtalk. If you want to know about my success on Webtalk, about my plans and future, subscribe to my channel. Share the video to those who have lost the hope in life, who in the need of support. I strongly believe they will find their second life, as it has happened with me now. Webtalk is unlimited opportunity for everyone. Webtalk is still in beta, but it pays money to users. You no need to have any special skills to make money on Webtalk. Webtalk is a new social network where likes and comments turn into money. You all spend a lot of time on Facebook and other social networks, but these sites don't pay you. Webtalk pays.
5,000 people, I think they're billionaires now, worldwide known billionaires. So you look at these billionaires who have spent, $500 million on a yacht and, $300 million on a painting, when there are people who are struggling to feed themselves. It's disgusting. To me, it is disgusting.